This is the most powerful enhancement of the YUE method. In this process will activate your physical intelligence, an innate ability that helps everything in your life work well, allowing you to solve problems easily and quickly. Without strong physical intelligence, you'll keep trying to solve problems mentally, which inevitably leads to pain, suffering, limitations, and other negative experiences. Listen to this enhancement daily to stay strong automatically. Before we start, notice how you feel now. What unpleasant energies are present? Do you feel tired, in pain, sad, or anything else? After we finish, pay attention to how you feel again to notice the difference. We'll strengthen the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the central nervous system. We're going to increase the integration of the central nervous system. With physical intelligence, strong from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth and back, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong central nervous system to download physical knowledge updates, strong to eliminate the need to understand, strong for automatic results, strong to ask the right questions, and strong to receive intuitive correct answers. We strengthen physical intelligence with your body and the body to connect with physical intelligence, strong cranial brain, spinal cord, sacral brain, coccyx brain, and tail brain, 100% with infinite potential, strong 100% of the time with infinite time, will eliminate lack of balance, center, and stability between each of your 5 brains, will strengthen the communication of each brain with the rest of the body and each part of the body with each brain, strengthening the body's overall structure with each of its components, forming this global structure back and forth, reinforcing the central nervous system, connecting quantum particles, atoms, cells, molecules, and empty spaces in all possible combinations, strengthening the connection of each body part to the central nervous system's intelligence, will increase speed in feeling, perceiving, and intuiting for clarity, enhancing telepathic self-communication, so each part of your body strongly connects with the central nervous system, will strengthen your physical intelligence with your physical awareness and physical awareness with intelligence, boosting central nervous system intelligence to connect strongly with physical surroundings and the physical surroundings that strongly connect with your central nervous system, strengthening your communication with both the external and internal worlds, ensuring your inner and outer communication is balanced, leveling both types of communication and your connection with them, will eliminate weaknesses in the edges and vertices of connections that block you from receiving the answers you seek, will strengthen you to easily receive answers from your surroundings, boosting automatic connection with your physical environment and your bidirectional physical intelligence, will remove weaknesses stemming from your perceived lacks, things you can't have that weaken your physical intelligence, will remove the mind from the central nervous system, clearing mental interference in developing physical intelligence, eliminating resistance to letting go of control, and will command the mind. with all its resistance to exploring other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes, wormholes, and unknown realms. Let's activate the five physical brains, downloading physical intelligence to each brain, 100% potential, infinite time. Strengthen quantum particles with the central nervous system and the nervous system with each quantum particle. Strengthen atoms with the central nervous system and the central nervous system with each atom. Strengthen molecules with the central nervous system and the central nervous system with each molecule. Strengthen cells with the central nervous system and the central nervous system with each cell in your body. Strengthen the triad of knowledge, physical, spiritual, and mental understanding. Let's remove all limitations from this triad of knowledge. Will eliminate resistance and fear of knowledge to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Will strengthen the physical body, surroundings, universe, and all neural, cellular, and integrated systems. Empowered to access other dimensions and physical existences, strong enough to tap into the knowledge of other humans, capable of extracting answers from our physical surroundings, mastering control over the flow of time, both past and future, achieving mastery in the present moment, strengthening your nervous system's connection to physical information, enhancing body communication, and energizing all physical spaces. We remove empathy and connection with debilitating info from physical spaces. Strongly connect with the answers already within you. Strongly connect with solutions to all your problems. Face the future strongly without fear, expectation, or judgment. We increase physical intelligence towards quantum particles, and from quantum particles to the global structure, and from the global structure back to quantum particles, to 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. Will eliminate interference from mental and spiritual intelligence and remove its cumulative effect, strongly developing your physical intelligence to eliminate and prevent pain from developing, strengthen the entire physical body, all physical surroundings, humans, physical dimension, universe, existence, time and space. We strengthen feeling, perceiving and intuiting, telepathic communication, physical intelligence and awareness. We strengthen the pentagon of existence, balance, center, stability, neutrality, and midline. We boost your physical potential, awareness, and knowledge, your physical improvements, intelligence, and well being, strengthening integrated cells in all possible combinations, top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, backward, forward, and vice versa, 100% with infinite potential all the time, endlessly, strong physical intelligence in each cell, powerful for tensing, relaxing internal potential energy, movement energy, and physical well being, enhancing brain body communication. tissues, cells, molecules, atoms, quantum particles, and voids, all interacting in every possible combination. Strong as a receiver, transmitting from the outer world and universe. Powerful download of information to enhance physical intelligence. Your body is strong, supporting you in this physical existence. Strong in the present and strong in the future. We erase future weaknesses in physical potential. Strong physical intelligence, automatically improving future connections. We erase past limitations that hindered your physical intelligence growth. We remove physical, mental, and spiritual barriers to automatic information download. We strengthen internal communication, central nervous system with body and body with central nervous system, molecules, atoms, and quantum particles among themselves, tissues with organs, organs with tissues, cells with organs, organs with cells, cells with tissues, and tissues with cells. Strong foundation of physical fitness. We strengthen physical fitness integration, we strengthen structural integration, and we strengthen good structural form. Strong uniformity in physical fitness, strong form of internal vibrations, strong form of tensing and relaxing. We build good form with agility and ease, strong CNS for tension, relaxation, and effortlessness. We link physical intelligence with speed and time, strength to surpass light speed, strength to go below light speed, strength to match light speed, strong performance of physical functions, the performance of physical fitness, the performance of physical potential, the performance of physical intelligence, and the performance of structural stability. We strengthen physical process improvements, enhancing physical improvements, boosting physical speed, strengthening physical implementation, and amplifying physical telepathy. We reinforce internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and all geometric vertices we work with here. 100% infinite potential all the time, endlessly. We remove all barriers blocking your physical intelligence activation. We erase to zero about 100% of the time infinitely, powerfully reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate body, mind, and spirit. Now observe how you feel again. Is it the same or different?